Smartphone accessories are becoming increasingly specialized, not because phones lack power, but because users keep finding new ways to work and create on devices that fit in a pocket. The latest example comes from Oppo, which has introduced a magnetic secondary display designed to expand a smartphone screen without permanently altering the device itself. Unveiled in China, the accessory attaches magnetically to the back of compatible smartphones, including Apple's MagSafe-equipped iPhones, and functions as a portable secondary display. Rather than replacing the main screen, it creates additional workspace for multitasking, content creation, and productivity on the go. The concept is straightforward. Once connected, the extra display can extend your phone's interface, allowing users to keep messaging apps, reference documents, editing tools, or monitoring panels open, while the primary screen remains dedicated to the main task. It's a familiar workflow for laptop users, now adapted for mobile devices.
What makes the announcement particularly interesting is the cross-platform approach. Although Oppo developed the accessory, its magnetic attachment system enables compatibility with MagSafe-enabled iPhones, suggesting the company is looking beyond its own hardware ecosystem. In an industry where manufacturers often prioritize proprietary accessories, supporting a competing platform is an unexpected move. The accessory also reflects a broader evolution in mobile computing. As smartphones become capable of handling increasingly demanding workloads, from video editing to remote collaboration, the limitations of a single display become more noticeable. Expanding screen real estate without carrying a tablet or laptop could appeal to professionals, creators, and frequent travelers alike. Naturally, several practical questions remain. Real-world usability will depend on factors such as software optimization, connection stability, battery consumption, and whether developers embrace workflows that truly benefit from a dual-screen experience. Even so, the idea demonstrates how accessory makers are rethinking what a smartphone can become. Instead of chasing larger handsets, companies are exploring modular solutions that add functionality only when it's needed. If concepts like this continue to mature, the future of mobile productivity may not depend on bigger phones, but on smarter accessories that expand their capabilities whenever the situation demands it.